guys, in this video we are looking at simplifying exponential expressions, and we are going to look at multiplication and division, also addition and subtraction. Let's start with multiplication and division. The first thing we do is look at what's given and rewrite all bases in terms of prime numbers. Secondly, we apply the laws and definitions of exponents. So let's look at this example. That's equal to, so I take the 4 and write it with the prime base. That will be 2 squared. And the exponent goes outside the bracket, the n minus 1. Times 8 written with the prime base is 2 to the power of 3. And the exponent was n plus 1. And half written with the base of 2 is 2 to the power of negative 1. All over, and 32 written with the base of 2 is 2 to the power of 5. And the n goes outside the bracket. Okay, so let's get rid of the brackets by multiplying. Remember the rule: if you have a base inside a bracket with an exponent and there's an exponent outside the bracket, you multiply the two exponents. So let's multiply. 2 times n is 2n, minus 2 times negative 1 is 2, times, the base stays the same, 2, multiply the exponents. 3 times n is 3n, plus 3 times 1 is 3, times 2 to the negative 1 over 2 to the power of 5 times n is 5n. Because we have the same bases, we write the base down once and add all the exponents of the numerator and subtract the exponent of the denominator. So let's add all the exponents of the numerator first. 2n minus 2 plus 3n plus 3 minus 1. And we take the 5n, which is positive in the denominator. When we bring it up into the numerator, it becomes negative, so negative 5n. Okay, and that will lead us to, so now we gather like terms, write the base once. 2n plus 3n is 5n, minus 5n is 0. 2 plus 3 is positive 1. Positive 1, negative 1 is 0. So we've got 0 in our exponents. And we know from our definition that any number or any base to the power of 0 is always 1. And that's your answer there. Now we look at addition and subtraction. First, factorize, then cancel. Remember, you cannot cancel terms. So you have to first factorize your numerator and denominator and then cancel. Secondly, in order to find a common factor, we split powers by using the product law in reverse. So I need to split the 2 to the power of x plus 2. That will become 2 to the power of x times the same base to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of x. When we do this, we can see that we've got a common factor, 2 to the power of x, which is going to be very useful, over 2 to the power of x. So now we have a common factor that we can take out in the numerator, and that is 2 to the power of x. What's left we put into a bracket, that is 2 squared minus, remember if we take the 2 to the power x out, we have 1 left over 2 to the power of x. Now you can see that we can cancel that because we now have factors. So what's left is 2 squared minus 1. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And that's your answer. Okay, keep practicing, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.